You must be probably looking this Insta animate 3D photo trend everywhere in your feed. But if you want to level up something like this, just stick with me. It seems actually pretty much hard, but trust me, it's easy. In this we need one photo, some books photo, and this amazing video. And let's dive into the After Effects. Create a composition to 1080 to 1920 and up to 5 seconds, not up to, and up to 8 seconds is okay for me. Then drag the photo into the composition. Now we need to remove the background of this. You can remove the background in Photoshop by simply duplicate the layer and go to remove background and export it into PNG format. And those who doesn't have that knowledge in Photoshop, then let's remove the background in After Effects. Select the photo, go to rotor brush tool and double click the photo. You can use the mask tool also. Let me select it and adjust accordingly. If you want to know how to use rotor brush, then you can check this tutorial over here. After that, go to the layer and add refine soft matte to this, and it will smooth out the outer part. As you can see, yeah, it's good. Then go to the composition, select frame as, then file and change the format to PNG sequence and hit OK. Then render it. Import that PNG layer and drag the background photo into the composition, then PNG photo. Then increase the size of PNG layer and adjust the size of photo also. And now we need to add a new camera to this composition. Just go to the layer, new and camera, and let be the default one and hit OK, and this is also OK. Then make the layer 3D by turning this on. And next, if you like this video, just hit the like button so that it can spread up to the other people also. Okay, moving on, I already removed the background of the book. So drag that PNG book photo in between these two layers and also make this 3D and adjust the position, size where you want it. Let me adjust this. I want this to be front of the person, so increase the position. Seems fine to me. Then adjust a little bit, and you can duplicate the layer of the photo, adjust it, or you can add some other book and adjust that into the frame. After adjusting, then add this video just here and adjust it at the corner where the light is coming, and change the blending mode to screen and create a mask around this corner and adjust the mask property also. Now we almost done. And then drop down the camera properties and animate with the keyframe of the position. One here and one here and one at the end. Just adjust this accordingly and adjust the position. Increase the position. Seems fine to me. Then adjust a little bit. Let's play it. It's nice. Now you can add some camera blur effect into the background layer and adjust the blurriness. And same for some of the books. And let me play it again. It already giving a good vibe. And if the background goes off, then you always adjust the scale of the background. And if you are just a beginner in video editing and want to level up, then here is the video. I will show you how to create the best way to level up your video.